Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Another TFSA Wealthsimple trade portfolio update. Before I jump right into the portfolio, I just wanted to thank everybody that has subscribed to the channel. The channel is growing. The portfolio is growing, although not today, we'll see. But I just appreciate everybody that's following along. We're up to 550 subscribers as I film this. If you aren't subscribed, it'd be great to have you join along, follow along the journey. Let's just jump right into the portfolio. Friday, markets are open. All right, here we are, TFSA trade app. It is Friday, the markets are open. We're gonna be open for a couple more hours. It seems to be like it's a repeat of last Friday, so not too good. If you have some confidence though, and you have some extra funds, it might be a time to kind of maybe get in there and pick up some of your long-term investments. I'm holding off for now. I haven't done the deposit for December, but I will in a little bit. I think we're gonna be in for this up and down for the next little while, so there's no worry about having to jump in and do anything very quickly. As you'll see, the portfolio is not doing that great today. Brookfield Renewables, we haven't added to this. This would be a good time, I think, to maybe get in this one. Down 3% today, which is unfortunate. We just have 8 shares of this though, but we are down 8.73%. That will come back up. Again, this portfolio, long-term investment. CMC, we're gonna skip right over that. That is really dragging my portfolio down. But again, long-term, 5 to 10 years, I'm gonna just kind of hang on to that, see what happens. ETC, this is the Evolved Cryptocurrencies ETF. Regular stock market down today. Crypto market is down today as well. Seem to follow in step. We are down 4%, but not too worried about that long term. Eventually, we have 68 shares, but we unfortunately are down 8.63%, 86.46. As you can see, the portfolio not doing great today. Same with Greenlane. All the small caps don't seem to be doing very well. Down 5.43% today. We do have 400 shares, so we were down 19.5%. Not great to look at, but not worried. We're just going to stick with this plan. We're not going to jump to any rash decisions to sell anything off at a loss. Just going to let and wait and see. Our RioCan, this one is doing well. Everything seems to be jumping into real estate, which I think that's maybe a safer bet for over some of the equities in the market. But 25 shares, we're still up for that, 2.43%. I think it would be good to kind of hopefully get in there. I'm going to check what things are doing on Monday. If it's anything like last week, Monday will probably be up a little bit. We'll see. And RNW, this one is down again. It's been down, coming down for a little bit. Did start to rise, but again, we're seeing it down 7.51%, 44.72. As you can see, not too great on RNW either, although we will still get our regular dividends on that, so not too worried. Solar Alliance Energy, this one down too. Seems to be a trend here, down 41.17 altogether for 47%. That one we're just kind of hanging on to. We'll put some more funds in there as we get a little bit of dividends with some leftover change in that one. I think we'll still build on that one. Slate Office REIT, this one is the one, again with the RioCan, this is the one that's doing quite well today, up 3.87%. Not too bad. We are still down a little bit on this, but we've got back to where basically we're almost even on this, which is nice. We'll get the regular dividends. I think it will be coming, on the 15th of December. If I'm not mistaken, but that is nice to see. It's nice to see a bit of a diversification in the portfolio and not everything going down. So with Slate Office REIT, we are up, we are up today, but we are down 1.66%, $5.24 with 61 shares. And Telus seems to be doing okay today too. The Canadian telecom company, 15 shares of that. We're still up 5.46%, not too bad on Telus. So happy about that one. And then our two last ones, the two ETFs. So VDY 4165 is trading at right now. We are down a little bit today, 0.10%, not too bad. This one I still want to add into that. It's heavy weighted on a lot of the bank stocks in Canada, and if you've been following the news, all the banks are increasing their dividends. So that is a good thing for VDY. It'll be nice to eventually be able to purchase some more shares of VDY. And VFV, the Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF, we're down today 1.29%. Again, as the market is, it's basically mimicking what's happening. We saw that drop last week as well, then we're back. It's just a lot of uncertainty out there. So I think that's reflecting in the market and the shares price. But we still are up 3.78%, not too bad. We have 19 shares of that, and we're up $71.18 on VFV. Let's just go and see how the portfolio is doing for the day. Obviously for the day, we're not doing that great. This is going to update. We might see these numbers change as we go through. Down $104.60. And on the week, didn't have a great week as well. So far down 151.06. Not worried. Long-term investments, not going to stress and sell anything off. But again, in the month, you can see 5.3% in the month. Past 3 months, we're down $300. Averaging out here as we go, and then 1 year we're down 3.15, so $237. I'm not too concerned about that. We're going to see the same as the all-time, because again, we're in this for 5 years, 10 years to hold these. We're not going to be selling any of these stocks off unless there's an increase on something that we want to take advantage of. But as it stands, we're just going to buy and hold, not stress with what's happening out there. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Happy Friday. Not a great end to the week, but again, I think Monday we'll probably start to see a turnaround again. That seems to be what the pattern is. We'll see ups and downs, I think, for the next little while. Just par for the course with investing, as I am learning here. But again, I'm not going to make any rash decisions. Going to stick to the plan, keep our consistent small investments, and not put anything in that we can't afford to lose, and not put in money that we will possibly need for something else. So thanks for watching. If you've made it this far, aren't subscribed, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. It'd be great to have you follow along. Let's see if in December we can get up to 600 subscribers. That would be great to see. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.